We host everything from large conferences, meetings, concerts, and hybrid events, always with a focus on hospitality, reliable technology, and sustainability. When we decided to upgrade our main hall, we wanted more than just a screen. We wanted to transform the space. The wall stood out for its stunning quality, flexibility, and long-term reliability. That was really important for us. Samsung also offered strong innovation, energy efficiency, and a 5-year warranty. Definitely making it the best long-term investment for us. Today, the wall is the centerpiece of our main hall. We use it for keynotes, hybrid events, for branding, and for live streaming. It adds impact and atmosphere to every type of event, and we love it. The feedback has been fantastic. Presenters love the clarity, and guests often describe it as cinematic. I like that word when they come and say, wow, it's cinematic. It delivers that instant wow factor when they walk into the room. It's also been great for business, we must admit. We see higher satisfaction, more repeat bookings, and a stronger brand position as a premium, tech-forward venue. In short, the wall helps us do what we do best. It combines world-class hospitality with cutting-edge technology.